Great morning, students. Hope you are fine at your home. So, today we are going to discuss our chapter that's name is acid, base, and salt. So, in this previous video, we have done acid, base, and salt and what are their properties. We have also discussed about the strong acid and weak acid, strong bases and weak bases. So now we are going to discuss strength versus concentration. When describing acid and bases, strength and concentration do not mean the same thing. Strength refers to the ability of the acid or base to dissociate in solution, or it measures the pH of this. It dissociation refers to ability of ionic compound to break apart into the ions. So concentration refers to amount of acid and base dissolved in the solution. An acid or base will have the same pH regardless of how concentrated it is. Just because you add water to dilute it, it's still going to have the same amount of pH. Now, what is strong acid and weak acid? For example, strong acid is hydrochloric acid that is found in our stomach. It is a strong acid. Now, sulfuric acid, it is found in batteries. So this is called as battery acid. Next is nitric acid. Nitric acid is a strong acid. But when we talk about the weak acid, like acetic acid, that is called vinegar. Citric acid, that is called citrus fruits. Now, as what is the neutralization now? Neutralization is a chemical reaction between acid and a base that takes place in water solution. When acid and base react together, the hydrogen ions from the acid react with the hydroxide ion from the base to form water. So overall pH becomes neutral. Thus we can say salt and water both pH is neutral. That's why we can say them these are the neutral substances, and this process is called as neutralization. That's from the neutral substances in it. So in this we have studied about the neutral products or neutralization reaction we are going to produce it. Now when we talk about the next topic, that's all about the pH scale. It is a scale that is used to measure the hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. So P means potence hydrogen, that's meaning the power. Higher the hydronium ion concentration, lower is the pH value. 0 to 6 is the acidic value, 7 is neutral, 8 to 14 is alkaline or basic. So pH paper changes color to indicate a specific pH value in it. Now we have this importance of this pH in our daily life. According to pH, we have division of different type of activities takes place in our daily life. For example, our body works between the 7 to 7.8 pH of our body. Lemon juice has a pH of 2, wine has a pH of 4, rain has a pH of 5.5. If pH of the rainwater is less than 5.5, then the rain is called as acid rain. Human blood has 7.5 pH, baking soda has 8.5 pH, detergent has 10 pH, bleaching powder is 12.5 pH. So what is the strength of the acid and base? Acid give rise to the hydronium ions in the presence of the solution. So this hydronium ion is stable. Due to this hydronium ion, this will form the acidic nature. Bases give rise to the hydroxide ion, so they will call the strong bases. So hydroxide ion are very less in case of the weak bases. Now pH has a greater role in our daily life. जितना pH आपका मेंटेन किया जाता है वो आपके हर एक सब्सटेंस के बेस पर मेंटेन किया जाता है. We have different substances that's pH value. For example, importance of pH in everyday life is our body works within the pH of the 7 to 7.8 When pH of rain is less than 5.6, this is called acid rain. Our stomach produces hydrochloric acid which help in digestion without harming our stomach. In case of indigestion of our stomach produces more acids and this cause pain and irritation. To get rid of this, we use the bases called antacid tablet, and these antacid tablets neutralize the excess acid. Magnesium hydroxide or milk of magnesia is a mild base. So tooth decay start when the mouth pH is lower than the 5.5. Tooth enamels is made up of the calcium phosphate, which is the hardest substance in our body. So that's the value of pH in our body. Now bee sting leaves an acid which cause pain and irritation. So using mild base like baking soda area that we can get relief very easily. Stinging of hair nettle leaves that injects the methanoic acid cause the burning in the skin. So it could be relief when we are applying some base over it like baking soda. It is the basic in nature and we get reliefs from the acid. Now एज यू नो वेरी वेल डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एसिड और डिफरेंट टाइप के सब्सटेंस में वो आपके पाए जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल विनेगर में आपका एसिटिक एसिड पाया जाता है. लेमन और ऑरेंज में आपका सिट्रिक एसिड पाया जाता है. टेमरेंड या ग्रेप्स के अंदर आपका टाटारिक एसिड पाया जाता है. जितने भी सिट्रस फ्रूट्स होते हैं उनमें सब में एस्कॉर्बिक एसिड पाया जाता है. मिल्क और योगर्ट के अंदर लैक्टिक एसिड पाया जाता है. एप्पल्स पीयर्स के अंदर मैलिक एसिड में पाया जाता है. और आंट स्टिंग जो होते हैं उनके अंदर हमारा फॉर्मिक एसिड पाया जाता है. सो ऑल दीज आर द एसिड दैट आर प्रेजेंट इन डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ सब्सटेंसेस. दे वर्क ओवर द different type of pH. For example, a acidic soil has a pH less than the 5.5. So for the good crops, the soil must be neutral in nature and this should be prevented from the acidic rain. We have to add the basic salt in it or magnesium oxide in it so that the soil nature could be preventive in its nature. So in this video we have discussed about the strong acid, strong base, what are the properties of the weak acid and weak base, and what is the importance of the pH in everyday life. We have completed it in this video. So I hope you will read this video and you will study these topics at your home. Before reading it, you have to study at your book also. Thank you and have a nice day.